Donnie here with Donnie's Garage Time, man. If you've never been to Cumberland Falls, you need to come check it out. I'll try to be a little slower there. This place is pretty cool. We'll get some more shots here in just a little bit. But it's been a while, been busy, but just wanted to bring this peace and some tranquility to you. This is a beautiful place. Be right back at you. This here has what they call the moon bow. At night, if the moon is high, you can see a white rainbow in it, man. It's pretty cool in the midst of the falls. So check that out, man. If you can come down and see this, it's in Kentucky. It's pretty cool. Be right back at you here. That's some serious power right there, man. That's the falls right there. That is beautiful. Ooh, doggy. One more time here. One last shot, as close as we can get right here. Cumberland Falls. Beautiful, beautiful place. Come check it out if you can. I know I'm from Kansas, but I sure love this state of Kentucky, man. See ya. Well, wait, before I say see ya, let's do this one more time here. I got a good shot from way back here, man. That's it. That's one beautiful work of nature. See ya.